Hello everyone, so my trips are finally over. I managed to break down the Range Rover. Now it's leaking oil massively and I can't go anywhere further. But I managed to travel a few thousand of kilometers before this repair. So I'm quite happy with this result, but I need to fix it. And let's go, I'll show you what is happening. Okay, and here is the problem in the transfer case. This oil seal in the front axle shaft is leaking, and is leaking quite massively. It's been stopped here for about an hour and it already has a small puddle, so it needs to be replaced ASAP, because as you can see at the moment this transfer case has oil, but it's about to end, so I need to repair it before driving it daily. I'm planning on changing on the rear seal also, but I don't know if I'll have energy for do it in one day. Let's hope that it will be easy to remove these prop shafts and easy to reach all the parts. Okay, let's go. Okay, it looks like this front prop shaft is free. Now it's time to remove all the parts and look what is happening. Okay, now I have to remove this flange bolt to access oil seal. And to remove this flange bolt, I need to unscrew it, of course, but I need some specific size flange bolt nut, and I am not unclear about size. There is no information on the internet, so I find few fellow Range Rover owners and messaged them, and one replied, yeah, of course it should be 36 millimeters this size, and yep, it's the bolt is 36 millimeters. Now what is left is to unscrew it, release the oil, and I should access my oil seal. So good news, very good news. Okay, I'll drain out the oil and I will be able to not nice. And it will be time to check for oil seal. Ta-da! And here you can see the oil seal, which needs to be replaced. Extra large tires making vibrations and not helping for oil seals like this to live. But never mind, we'll change it to new one and should be good for a while. It's time to remove this lump to access the seal. Ta-da! Whew. Okay, maybe it doesn't look so bad, but it definitely needs to be changed. Whew. Okay, now I need to clean here everything, and it will be time to reassemble. Nice. Okay, all the oxidated parts are cleared. Now I'm cleaning, and it will be time to install the new oil seal. Let's go. New oil seal, looking perfect for a moment. As usual, I ordered wrong oil seals, completely wrong. They are way too small and doesn't fit at all. So good news for me, but not to worry, I reordered new ones and need to wait a couple of days till they arrive. So in the meantime, I'm thinking on also removing this oil seal from the back end of the transfer case, so I could change both of them at the same time, and it will be quick installation, and it will be left only quick installation. So I need to remove this beautiful prop shaft and remove this oil seal also. Let's get going. Okay, look how pretty and clean everything is here. So it's much in the much higher position. I guess that's why it's so much cleaner. Okay, now I need to unbolt this flange bolt and should be good to go out. Ta-da! Okay. Good news, everybody. Bolt is out. There. Okay, finally everything is disassembled. All the prop shafts removed, all the oil seals removed. So now what is left is here to clean it a bit, so it would be much nicer surface to mount oil seal, and I need to wait for new parts to arrive in a couple of days. So good news, just a couple of more days and I will be able to assemble it. Okay, finally, few days later I have these two new beautiful oil seals that fit perfectly in the car. Let's add some grease so it would install a bit easier, and few first meters would be much more gentle on the oil seal. Oba! I wonder if it's enough to tighten with hand, or I need to bolt it a bit stronger. It will be enough. Perfect. Perfect. Flange is inside. Okay, it's good to go. Įveržiam. 100 Nm. Kažkas tokio. Ai, tiesiog takšt. If you ever remove this extra weight for balance, don't forget to bolt it at first before prop shaft, because oh my starry nights, how difficult it is to bolt it when this prop shaft is installed. Oh my god. Okay, almost done. Moving on. Okay, prop shafts all are in, all bolts are tightened, and now it's time to fill some transfer case oil. It should be about 1 liter. Let's go. Okay, that's it. 1 liter of oil is inside the transfer case. Now it's almost test drive time. Great, great, really great. Okay, so all the oil seals are changed and I have even driven 500 kilometers, and from the looks of it, it's all good. All the oil that is here is from the before. Now it's looking good. Oil seals are sealing. Good news for me, I can keep on driving Range Rover. From the looks of it, it's not so hard to maintain it. That's it for now. Thank you and goodbye.